Coral reef awareness. Coral reefs are living communities of colonial organisms made of individual polyps that excrete a bone-like skeleton. This skeleton forms large rock-like structures that are homes for thousands of organisms. The benefits of a healthy reef ecosystem go far beyond the ocean. Coral reefs are essential to plant and fish life, contribute to a lively fishing industry, protect beaches and coastlines from erosion, act as the ocean's filter, provide life-saving medicines. Possibly the one animal on the planet capable of consuming plastic. Hallelujah. What causes coral reefs to die off? Rising sea temperatures, industrial pollution, plastic pollution, and sewage. Chemical sunscreens. Unmanaged high-density tourism. One easy step we can take to protect these precious resources is by wearing non-nano zinc oxide sunscreen. Coral reefs are easily one of the most interesting life forms on our planet. The colorful ecosystems can be found all over the world, but many are sadly at risk of destruction due to a number of easily avoided issues. Explore the easy steps you can take to ensure coral reefs can continue to thrive. A quarter of all marine species live on coral reefs. Coral reefs make up a fraction of the ocean, less than 1%, but they provide a home to around 25% of all the world's marine life. Over 4,000 different species of fish rely on coral reefs. A common misconception is that corals are plants or rocks, but in fact, they are animals. There are hard and soft varieties of coral which live together in large groups called colonies. Coral reefs provide food for a variety of fish, which in turn provide food for humans. It's estimated that around 500 million people in the world consume the fish found on coral reefs. Corals and algae have a symbiotic relationship, but if the ocean gets too warm, corals expel their algae, which causes them to turn white, a process known as bleaching. In a desperate attempt to survive increasing ocean temperatures, some corals have been shown to emit vibrant colors, a phenomenon which has led to the global glowing campaign. Coral reefs play an important role in protecting coastal communities from storms and water surges. They act as a buffer and are able to slow down water flow as well as prevent coastal erosion. You won't find coral reefs living in murky water. Many corals and sponges feed on particles found in the ocean, which in turn leaves the water incredibly clear. Around 71 million people each year visit coral reefs on holiday. This tourism is hugely important to local economies, particularly in lesser-known destinations which rely on international tourism. It's been recorded that coral reefs began forming as far back as 240 million years ago. Established coral reefs today are between 5,000 and 10,000 years old, although some individual corals may only live a couple of years. Although more commonly associated with tropical waters, coral reefs have been found in temperatures as low as 4 degrees centigrade and depths of 2,000 meters. These deep-sea corals don't rely on photosynthesis to survive like their warm water counterparts. Instead, they feed solely on food particles from the surrounding water. It may seem obvious, but it's incredibly important not to step on or touch coral reefs. It's crucial to remember that corals are animals and human interaction can damage or even kill them. Like this idiot. Stirring the sediment can smother corals, meaning they are unable to photosynthesize and cause disease to spread among the reef. Be mindful of your fins and avoid disrupting the sand. Litter is one of the biggest polluters of the ocean and is harmful to all marine species, big and small. If your dive operator does not have a bin on board, make sure to take all litter home with you so it doesn't accidentally end up being blown into the ocean where it might harm coral reefs or be ingested by fish.